the 2018 Dodge Durango RT and SRT models at the Chicago Auto Show, including the familiar Dodge dual center stripes and a new MoPar exhaust system. The 475 horsepower SRT model, which is powered by a 6.4-liter Hemi V8, will also offer a lowering spring kit and a carbon fiber instrument panel. The signature two-stripe treatment blankets the three-row SUV from the front to rear fascia and is tailored to the signature NACA duct hood vent. It'll come in 5 different colors: bright blue, flame red, gunmetal low gloss, metallic finish, low gloss black and sterling silver, and retail for $1,195 starting in March. MoPar developed its new bolt-on performance exhaust systems with Dodge SRT engineers and designers to improve flow and achieve that sweet sound. It features a chromium 304 stainless steel construction to make it more resistant to corrosion, with stainless steel band-style clamps and welded and polished 4-inch tips. It costs $1,595 for the Durango RT and is available now. On the SRT, the price goes up to $1,850, with the package available in the second quarter.